children, today we will take up the topic quadratic equation. This topic is very important for class 10th as well as for class 11th also. Actually, if I say that the word quadratic is not new for you, because in the topic polynomial you already studied cubic polynomial, you have studied quadratic polynomial. So, it is not a new word for you. The only thing that we are going to use here is quadratic equation we are going to use. So, what is that quadratic equation? Actually, we say that an equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c is called as a quadratic equation, where a, b and c are some integers, but a cannot be equal to 0. So, however, sometimes b and c can be 0. For example, say if I take 5x square plus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. If you ask me, sir, is it quadratic? Yes, it is quadratic because it is of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is one reason. Second reason is the degree is 2. The second thing, so it can be, if you take 7x square minus 9x, say minus 100, is it quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation because it is satisfying the condition ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is one reason. Second reason is the degree is 2. The degree is 2. So, we can say that yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now, suppose if a is equal to 0, then what will happen? Suppose the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Suppose if a becomes 0, then what will happen? The equation will become bx plus c equal to 0. That means the equation has reduced to linear form. So, children, what I want to tell you is a quadratic equation is an equation which is of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is always non-zero. Now, there are certain examples in your textbook that we will try to solve. For example, exercise 4.1 in your textbook says, check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Actually, here about 8 problems are given and you are asked to find out whether it is quadratic or not. Let us see whether it is quadratic or not. For example, the first equation says x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Is it quadratic? Let me check. How to check? See, this is of the type a plus b whole square. It can be written as a square plus 2 into ab plus b square is equal to x minus 3. So, in place of a, we will put first term is x. Here again I will put first term is x, 1 and 1. So, if I solve it, this becomes ax square, that means x square plus 2 into ab means 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Suppose if I transpose this here, then what are we going to get? We are going to get x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, children, you can very easily see x square 2x minus 1x is 1x and 1 plus 3 is 4. So, is it quadratic? Yes, it is quadratic because it is of the type ax square, a is nothing but 1 here, plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, we can say that yes, it is a quadratic equation because it is satisfying the condition. Now, let us check out whether this equation is quadratic or not. How to solve this equation? Here, what I will do is, I will have to take the first term of the first bracket multiplied by second bracket. That means what? X into this bracket and minus 3 into this bracket. That means x into 2x plus 1 and minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to this is very simple, x into x and x into 5. This becomes x square plus 5x, and this if I simplify, then this becomes 2x square plus 1x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now if I transpose it to the left side, let us see what results I am going to get. See, this is 2x square and this is plus x square. If I transpose this plus x square, it will become minus x square. So 2x square minus 1x square is 1x square. Now this is plus x minus 6x minus 5x. That means plus x minus 6x is minus 5x, and this plus 5x if I transpose it to left side, then it will become again minus 5x. That means what I am going to get here? Minus 10x. I am repeating, you see, 1x minus 6x is minus 5x, plus 5x if I transpose it to left side, it will become minus 10x, and minus 3 equal to 0. Everything will become 0 because I have transposed everything here. Now it is of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I can say yes, it is quadratic. Yes, it is quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. Yes, it is quadratic equation. Now let us take up the third equation. How to solve it? This multiplied by here, what is going to happen is 2x into x minus 3, and this is minus 1 into x minus 3. First term of the first bracket multiplied by second bracket, second term of the first bracket multiplied by second bracket. Again first term of the first bracket multiplied by second bracket, and second term of the first bracket multiplied by first bracket. Now let us see what the simplifications we get. This becomes 2x square minus 6x. This becomes minus x. Minus into minus is plus. Then again here plus into plus is plus. X into x is x square. Plus into minus is minus x. Plus into plus is plus 5x. And plus into minus is minus 5. Now if I simplify it further, this is 2x square minus 6x minus 1x, I will get minus 7x plus 3. This is 1x square minus 1x plus 5x, we will get plus 4x minus 5. Now let me transpose everything towards the left side. This I will transpose it, and this also I will transpose it. If I transpose it, you see, plus 2x square minus 1x square, I will get 1x square. Minus 7x, and this if I transpose it minus 4x, this I will get minus 11x. Plus 3 minus 5, if I shift it here, it becomes plus 8 equal to 0. Is it quadratic? Yes. It is of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So, the method is quite simple, children. Wherever the problem is given, convert it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it is conversible, then we say it is quadratic. If we cannot convert it, it is not quadratic. It is so simple as it looks. Now here it is, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into bracket x square minus 1. This I can write it as, this is a plus b whole cube. This is first term cube plus second term cube plus 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square is equal to, this I have to multiply here, 2x into x is 2x cube plus into minus is minus 2x. Now here first term is x, second term is 2, first term is x, second term is 2, Here again first term is x, second term is 2. So x cube is x cube plus 2 cube. This becomes 3x square into 2 is 6x square. 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. This becomes 12x. This 2x cube I'll transpose it to left side. It will become minus 2x cube. Minus 2x I'll transpose it to right side. It will become plus 2x equal to 0. Now let me simplify. Plus x cube minus 2x cube is minus 1x cube. 6x square, it is the lone term here, so I'll keep it as it is, 6x square. Now 12x and 2x is 14x, and what remains here is plus 8. Now the question is it quadratic? The answer is very simple, no, because the degree is 3, or it is not satisfying the condition of ax square plus bx plus c. So I can say it is not an quadratic equation. So children, in your textbook actually they have given you 8 problems. 8 out of 4 I have solved, and I want that the remaining 4 you try to do yourself as homework.